Good morning, boys and girls. Ready, guys? Mr. Baxter's Learning Channel is your place to be. And today it's your place to cook. We could have said Mr. Baxter, Mr. Cooper, Mrs. Bug's Cooking Channel is your place to bake. Right, what are we baking today, guys?
Muffins!
What are we making?
Muffins!
What kind of muffins?
Brownies!
Brownie muffins, you're exactly right. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, May the 19th, 2020. You got Mr. Baxter here, Mr. Cooper here, and Bugaloo. What are we doing? So we are going to be making some brownies, guys. Today is going to be your math activity for your last Tuesday of kindergarten. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show how when we add all kinds of ingredients, like we do a math sentence, we're gonna put stuff in the bowl, doing what? Plus or add, you know what addition is? Or adding them together. So we're gonna add ingredients, mix it all up, and it's gonna equal what? What's it gonna equal?
Brownies!
Brownies, you're exactly right. So you guys have a recipe, okay, that we're gonna be following, and there's a recipe up on the screen. Now, it's very important, just like when we were making our slime, guys, we have to do our things in order, okay? So we have to pay attention and make sure we have everything that we what?
Need.
That's right, all of our ingredients, okay? So we need to make sure that we have, Cooper, I'm gonna read stuff and I want you to check it off, okay? Do we have butter?
Yes.
Melting, right? We got butter melting in the pan. That's important. Melt yourself half a stick of butter. Do we have sugar?
Yes.
We do. We have sugar right here. Do we have 2 eggs?
Yes, over there.
We do. 2 eggs ready to roll. Do we have vanilla extract?
Yep.
We've got vanilla extract. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do we have unsweetened cocoa powder?
Yes.
How does that taste?
What?
Ugh, all right, because it's unsweetened, right? All right, do we have salt, Koopa?
Yes.
And do we have something in a little red can that would be baking powder? Hot dog. All right, thank you guys. Another thing that's good to have is cooking spray. If you want to grease up your muffin pan or you want to grease up the brownies that you're going to use. Mr. Baxter's using a muffin pan today because when we get done, we're going to circle 10. We're going to find groups of 10 in here and see if we can do our say 10 counting to find how many muffins we're making for Mrs. Baxter's birthday. All right, so we've got everything we need. Now we need to start following our directions in what?
Order.
In order, just like we're writing a how-to book, right? So first, we've got all our stuff together. It said what we need to do first, Cooper, is we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. All right, let's get the oven ready. We push bake, 350, start. Bingo, bango. All right, now, melt half a cup of butter in a saucepan. Have we done that?
Nope. Yes.
Do we got it melted? We do. Look here. Look at our Baxter bees. We got it all melted right there. And Miss Bug has been so gracious to let us use her unicorn spatula to make some wonderful what?
Brownies.
Brownies, you're exactly right. All right.
Brownies.
So here's what we're going to do, guys. The first thing we need to do is we need to put butter into the pan. But we need to do this very what?
Careful.
That's right. Let's pour, let's pour, let's pour. We don't need to stir yet, but can I use this to get all the butter out? Thanks, kiddo. And now, remember, be safe. Now, don't stir that quite yet.
Good.
Be safe and always remember to turn the top of your stove off so that you don't touch the hot surfaces, okay? All right, careful. Next thing we need to add in, guys, is we need to stir in our sugar. We need half a cup of sugar. So, here is the half a cup line right there. So I'm going to pour sugar up to right there, okay?
And then I'm going to sit up.
Tell me when it stops. When it gets to that line, Cooper, that says 1/2.
1/2.
We're there?
Yep.
Awesome. Stir that up, Bug. Be careful and stir it up. Next, we need to add in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Here is a teaspoon. Where's our vanilla? You got it.
Vanilla. I'll open it.
Okay,
Oh,
very
now
careful.
smell it. Cute, now
Hold on,
smell
hold on. Don't put it too close to the edge. Remember, boys and girls, it's very important to get an adult to help you while you're doing this stuff, okay? Because you want to make sure you're mixing it all up. But we're practicing our pause and we're also sharing, so make sure you're doing things very carefully, okay? All right, Cooper, we're checking stuff off. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we need 1/3 of a cup, Cooper, of your favorite stuff. The unsweetened cocoa. And then I need to use this because this time it tells us to beat it in. So I'm going to put 1/3 of a cup in here. Cosmo, no sir. He's so excited that we're making brownies that he's jumping all over the place. All right, we're almost there. Let's get a little more cocoa, and we're good. All right, now, Bug, I need you to hold the spatula here so it can be out of the way, okay? Now we need to put this in there, Cooper, while Uncle Brett stirs, okay?
It's getting more like brownies. Wow.
Ooh.
So much like brownies.
So much like brownies. Take a look at what we got going on in here, guys. Starting to look like brownie batter, right? All right, we're getting all that stirred. You see how the light colored brown is where we haven't mixed it in yet? So we want it all to be that yummy, yummy, dark color. Oh, Bug, what are you thinking about that? Is it looking yummy?
And it smells just like chocolate.
Chocolate.
Can I smell?
Yeah, get in there. Get some smelling.
Good.
All right, make sure we're cleaning up.
Yeah.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet. All right, what's next? We've got our cocoa in there. Coop, now we need a 1/2 of a cup of flour. Remember where that 1/2 cup line was?
Can I mix it up?
You can. Give me 1 second, okay?
Right here, right?
The 1 and the 2. 1/2.
Yep, right here. Good. Yep, higher, that's higher.
A little level up. See? Is that good?
Yep.
Bingo, bango. All right, we're going to put that in. And the next thing we're going to need, Coop, is salt. So you want to be putting
Can I
salt.
pour it in?
Yeah, you sure can, kiddo.
I can't open it.
It's okay. It's okay. All you need is that little part, that little top part of it. Okay? All right, we're stirring.
I still can't open it.
All right.
Good.
Let's see how much salt we needed.
Wait.
Can I pour it in?
Not yet, sweet girl. Please wait.
Since you put that in it. It does not. Oh!
It's just salt, guys. It's not going to smell great.
It smells spicy.
Oopsie. All right, we need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. There it is.
1/4 of a teaspoon.
Let me pour this, okay, so it doesn't go all over the place.
And can I pour it in there? Can I pour it in there?
Yeah, you sure can.
Did you see what shirt I'm wearing? It's game day.
Okay, hold on, baby girl. Hey, sweet girl, please wait, okay? Because we have to be careful of what we use to see how it's getting all stuck in there. You can use these. Please help your sister carefully stir the rest of that in there, okay?
Can we taste it?
Not yet. All right, hold on, we're there. We've got our. Hold on. Forgot to add the eggs. The wrong time. Cool. See? So you gotta be careful, buddy. All this has to fit in here.
Taste good?
Not really.
Because of the eggs.
I gotta beat that. Don't careful. Hey, we're back. All right, so now we've added our eggs back in. We gotta whip all this up, okay? I was noticing that we didn't have enough liquid in there and they were sticking all together. We missed a step, Coop.
Uh-oh.
And what does that mean? You weren't doing it in what?
Order.
That's right, but now we're getting it gone. That's starting to look like brownies, isn't it?
Yeah. And smelling.
Whip it, whip it, whip it.
It smells good. Can I smell it? If it smells good, it tastes good.
That's right. If it smells good, it's gonna taste good.
What if it doesn't taste? What if it doesn't smell good? It smells so good.
All right, don't touch it, okay? Baby girl, listen, don't touch it.
Can you smell it?
You can smell it, but smelling it doesn't touch it, okay?
It smells so good.
All right, I need to also add in some baking powder, which is that right there. Go ahead, open her up for us, but be careful.
Me?
Yeah, and let's see how much baking powder we need.
I can't open
Here,
it.
give it to me. Okay. Thank you for trying to help. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We're good, right here. Same thing, right here. Look, get it? Level it off. You see how we level that part off so that we don't have a big old mound? Don't bury it in there. All right, that's all of our ingredients. Now, we've got everything we need in here. Now we just need to mix it all up. We need to prepare our pan to get ready to rock, okay?
Those are the mini muffins. Those are for mini muffins.
That's right, that's for the mini muffins. We're making mini muffins, okay? So we're gonna stir, 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 until we can't stir no more. Thank you for joining me here in Mr. Baxter's kitchen. Just kidding, it's Mr. Cooper and Baylor Bug's kitchen. They are being so nice to help to let me use it to make a cooking math video for you guys. So we're gonna.
Can we taste it?
Not quite yet, sweet girl. Hey, look. Remember, Uncle Brett's gonna let you know when it's time to taste it, right? Now, I don't suggest you tasting it because it's got eggs that haven't been cooked in there. But, you know, that's what uncles are for. So, get a little white. Just a little white. Get a little white.
Tastes good.
Is it all mixed up and ready to roll? Awesome. We got the seal of approval. Excellent, excellent. So, here's what our brownie batter is going to end up looking like. Ooh, fudgy, smudgy, and ready to rock. So, we are going to grease up our pan. The oven is preheating.
I can't mix it.
All right. Now, you guys have done an amazing job. You have hooked us up. We're going to leave the dirty utensils there. Cool. I'm going to start cleaning up this area over here, okay? We don't need any more of that. Now, we're going to use cooking spray. And one of these, actually, you know what? Probably just a regular spoon to spoon some out and plop it in right there. Don't you think? All right. Coop, you want to grab us a spoon?
Yep. Why not me? Right back, guys.
We are greasing up the pan so it doesn't stick. There we go. Get everything but butter face. All right. Hold up. All right, listen. Watch this. So, what you want to do, guys, if you're going to make muffins like we are, you want to put it up to about right. You don't want to fill it all the way up because they're going to bake and they're going to rise just a little bit. Okay, so watch this, Bugaloo. Here's what you're going to want to do. Take a spoonful and do a plop. Do you see that there? See that little plop? Because look, then it's going to settle down into there. Like that. Like that there. Like that there right there. All right. You want to help?
Yeah.
Cooper, would you like to help?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll go get myself a spoon too.
All right. Remember, you don't need a whole lot on there. Here, you want me to hold the spoon? You put it in there with your fingers? Oh, goodness. You got it. You got it, kiddo. Okay.
No, I got it.
All right, hold on. Listen. When you lick your fingers, you can't go back into the brownie batch. You know, because that's like double dipping. So now we got to go wash our hands. Okay? Go wash your hands. Okay, that's a clean one. But then now you got to go wash your hands. Hold on. There you go. Okay, that's a good one. Coop, you're going to need to use your finger and scoop it off, okay? You got to do this and this. It's okay, sweet girl. Listen, we'll have some more for you, okay? There you go. You got it. See how we're doing that? Scoop and in. You know what rhymes with scoop? Coop. And that says 9. So see, we're filling them up, not quite all the way. And if we go back, hold on, that's fine, buddy, that's fine. Hey, that's fine. Okay, leave it just like that. And then just keep filling it. Come on, I want to make sure.
What if these were shaped in a heart?
They would be heart-shaped brownie muffins.
For Mau Mau.
That's right. All right, so we are going to get these rocking and rolling, popped in the oven, and then we'll pause our video.
Oh
no. All right, sweet girl.
Clean hands.
Clean hands. Something. Clear heads, full hearts. Can't lose. All right, you ready? Come here, Bugaloo. Drop her in there. Use your finger. There you go.
How's that?
Looks good to me. All right, remember, Bug, every time you lick your finger, you can't use it. All right, you get one more to do with that hand. Great job. We're going to see how all these brownies come out. Hold on. What do you want? What do you want? Okay, look. You've already licked both hands. Listen, we're going to have some of this left over, and I'll let you lick that, okay? Hold on, sweet girl. I need to make sure we got enough to go in the brownie things, and then I'm going to give you this bowl, and you can lick all the leftovers, okay?
Me too?
Yeah, sure. You guys are helping. All right, we're getting brownies into the brownie. Hold on, bud.
Y'all, go wash your hands.
Go wash your hands. Hey guys, thank you for helping me do this part. Go wash your hands, and I'll have you some brownie batter when you get back, okay? Thank you, kids. Now we got to use another kitchen tool, guys. We're going to use a spatula to scrape all the rest of this stuff. It's fine if I don't fill all these up, because we'll just see how many we can end up making. Ah! Hold on. Look how dirty Mr. Baxter is. Wait a minute, kiddo. I gotta scrape this bowl first, okay? Bailey Bug, look. You got two people trying to get your attention. Look this way. Look, baby, look.
Come here.
All right, see, we're scraping the bowl because you got all kinds of good stuff still left in there. Scrape those bowls. Trying to get all the batter. Might not get it all, but we'll get enough. This is going to be interesting. This is some sticky batter. All right, but our brownies are mixed. Our utensils are dirty. Our oven is now preheated. All right, so we are going to, Mr. Baxter's going to wash his hands, and then I'm going to get the brownies stuck into the oven. All right?
Mom, this is the air
right, guys, so look, we've got our muffin tin almost all the way filled up, but look, we got a couple spots that weren't filled, so we're gonna go back and we're gonna count how many brownies we end up making. But now, our oven is preheated. We'll put these in. These are gonna bake for 35 minutes. So once they go in, we'll hit pause and I'll check you back with some finished brownies. All right, guys, so our timer has gone off. Alexa, cancel timer. And I'm smelling,
timer canceled.
oh, I'm smelling some amazing brownies, so take a look, guys. Careful, Coop. All right, here they come out of the oven. Look, guys, we've got our brownies.
They're all in all shapes, and they're in all sizes.
All types of shapes and sizes. So, Coop, come on, stand back for me. All right, guys, we are going to take a look at some of the groups of 10 in our brownies. Remember, because this is a math lesson, this is very hot, so let's stand back. All right, so being that it's a math lesson, we added all of the ingredients together and put them all together in an addition number sentence. And when it came out, it equaled brownies. So guys, take a look. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we could circle that group of 10. I see another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we didn't do this one. We could circle that group of 10. So there's one group of 10. Let's go ahead and see if we can make two groups of 10. There we go. Look, two groups of 10 and one left over gives us 10, and 10 is 20, and one more is 21. So, guys, that's it. That's it for our math lesson of how to add a bunch of ingredients together and equal some brownies. I can't wait to see what you guys baked. Baxter on Tuesday, May the 19th. Out.